Come on, come on! Just one more hit! No! Ugh. Why are boss battles so hard? Man, real life is so boring. No cool power-ups, no epic quests, just laundry day and overdue library books. I wish I could be in a video game. Now that would be awesome.
Oh, a wish you say? Well then, wish granted! What? No. This is not what I meant. Surprise. You did this? Technically, yes. But in my defense, I have no idea how I did it. What? Yeah, so, fun fact, magic in this world, kinda unpredictable. Portals, even more unpredictable. So, getting you out? Yeah, no clue. Are you kidding me? But there is one wizard who might know. The ultimate High King Wizard. He lives at the top of the Glitch Tower. But reaching him? That's, tricky. Of course it is. Fine. Let's just go before I turn into a corrupted file or something. Well, there it is. The ultimate High King's Wizard's Tower. Now, all you need to do is get over there. Cool. But, hey, why do I move like this? This feels so unnatural. Well, you are new to the game. Hey, how did you get over there so quickly? Huh, I don't know. I just teleported here. But you're the player. You gotta do all the work. Great. I hate this game. Yes! You did it! I want to go home.
Who dares disturb me?
Yeah, hi. I got sucked into this game by this wizard dude, and now I want to leave.
To escape, you must defeat yourself.
What? Defeat myself?
You can't escape, loser. You're stuck here forever.
Oh, it's on. I've always wanted to beat myself up for all the dumb decisions I made. Want to play again?